In this video, I'm going to show you how to offer shipping insurance to your customers to help them protect against loss or damage of their items in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first step is to head over to WooSuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. Make sure you get the pro version as well. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so we'll be using this plugin to upsell our shipping insurance package to customers, and just as an additional bonus as well, you can use a company like Shipsurance to handle the shipping claim request and so on. Okay, so let's head back over to our dashboard and let's set up our shipping insurance option. So assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin, go ahead and upload that plugin. So you'll navigate to plugins, add new, and go ahead and upload and install that plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this AIO Checkout menu here. If you're an existing WooSuite customer, it will be under the WooSuite menu. Otherwise, it will be somewhere around here. So just look for AIO Checkout. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we're going to actually create a product. So we're going to use our shipping insurance as a product, and then we're going to display it in a few different ways. Okay, just to give you an idea of what we're actually trying to achieve here, let's just navigate to our checkout and I'll show you exactly what we're trying to do. So here you can see this option where it says get protected and add shipping insurance. Then we've got some copy here, and if the customer enables this option, it will automatically add the shipping insurance to their order. Okay, so this is what we'll be creating today. So to do this, we're going to create a product, and then we're going to create a shipping notification. Okay, so first we'll just create our product and we'll just navigate to products, add new. Okay, and then the product name, we'll just name this one shipping insurance. Okay, and then we'll just add a product image here as well. So I'm going to choose this one, and then we're going to add a price. So we're going to say $45. And then for the visibility, we'll set this to private because we don't want users seeing this option when they're browsing our store. Okay, so we'll just hit publish. Now we'll navigate to the WooSuite all-in-one checkout. Okay, and then we'll create a new order bump. So I've already got a few enabled, so I'm going to disable these just for this example. Then we'll click add order bump, and then we'll give this a name. So we'll say shipping insurance. Click add order bump. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and add the product which we've just created. So we'll say shipping. Okay, and we can go ahead and add this product. Okay, so for the discount, we'll leave it at 0. And in the future, most likely by the time you've watched this video as well, we'll create an option so you can create the price based on the customer order total. So for example, there'll be an option here which says order total, and then it can be a discount based on the order total. So if the customer basket equates to $1,000, you could say 10%. And then they'll be charged $100, right, for the shipping insurance for that $1,000 order. Again, this feature isn't ready yet, but you'll see the option here, and most likely by the time this video is released, that option will be ready. Okay, so that's another way to do it, or you can just leave it at the set $45 price which we've created for the product. Okay, so for the display position, I personally recommend doing it below the order summary. Okay, for the rule priority, we'll go ahead and set 1. So if you've got multiple different types offer, the one with the lowest number will run first. Okay, so then we'll go to rules condition, and then you can set no rule. It will show on all customers checkout, or you can create a specific rule. So you can create a rule based on the cart total, the total amount from a particular category, shipping country, billing country, and so on. There'll be more conditions added as time go on as well. So I'm just going to select cart total, and then I'm going to say displayed when the cart total is more than $100, for example. Okay, and then we can go to, okay, so we'll save this option. Okay, and we can actually check. In fact, there's one more thing, one more step. So let's navigate back here and let's navigate to design. Okay, so this is a crucial part. So where it says order bump style, we have to select notification here, otherwise it won't work. And you can see the design changes when we select notification. Okay, so we can just go ahead and add our copy. So for the title, I'll just put to get protected and add shipping insurance. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. Okay, and then we can add a subtext. Okay, we can enable or disable this image here if we want. I'm going to leave it disabled, but you can enable it if you like. Then we'll just go ahead and hit save. And now when we actually purchase something, so let's navigate to our store and let's add this to cart. Let's hit view cart. Okay, and let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. And then here we can see our shipping insurance offer. So there's one more thing before we actually go ahead and accept the shipping insurance. So let's quickly navigate back to the all-in-one checkout. Let's X these off. And we're going to actually enable our mini cart widget. Okay, and the reason why we're doing this is we've got two options to try and upsell customers in purchasing a shipping insurance. So we can enable it on the mini cart widget. So we'll just enable this. We'll enable the order bump and we'll display it at the bottom, and we will enable this option and allow customers to accept the shipping insurance offer from the mini cart widget. Okay, so we'll just save changes. Okay, and then when we navigate back to our shop page, if we go to this product page here, when we click on the mini cart widget, here we've got this option here to actually purchase our shipping insurance. So there's two places. So we've got two opportunities to upsell customers. So we can upsell them from this mini cart widget, and we can also upsell them from our checkout page. Okay, so when I enable the option, it'll automatically add the shipping insurance to their cart. Okay, and as I said, we've got that new feature coming where we can dynamically set the price based on a cart total. So we can set a percentage and it will be based on the cart total. Okay, and then finally, just to wrap up, as I mentioned in the intro as well, you can use a service like Ship Insure to basically go ahead and cover those insurance that the customers purchase from you. And that's how you add shipping insurance in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you got any questions, leave in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.